How's it going, Animal family? Big J here again, and today we'll be covering the top 10 foods that can be fatal to dogs. So stay tuned for more, because you'll be surprised at what's on the list. So many foods that are safe for humans can be fatal for doggies. So number one is chocolate. So we all like a bit of chocolate, but it contains theobromine, which can be toxic to dogs. So the theory is, the darker the chocolate, the more theobromine it may contain. So anything with a high cocoa percentage, it could be even more dangerous to our doggies. It can cause seizures, irregular heartbeats, and even death. Number two is grapes and raisins. So grapes and raisins, again, can be nutritious for us, but for dogs, they can be dangerous and even deadly. They can cause rapid kidney failure and even death in our doggies, and we don't want that. So avoid grapes and raisins. Number three, which is macadamia nuts. They can cause weakness, vomiting, tremors, and even hypothermia. So again, animal family, keep macadamia nuts away from our doggies. They are dangerous. They're good for us, but they're not good for our doggies. So they are a big no. Number four, which is xylitol. Xylitol is found in many sugar-free products. So products that don't contain sugar, and they contain sugar substitutes, such as baked goods, toothpaste, and chewing gum are just some of the things. It can cause life-threatening fall in blood sugar levels and even liver failure. So again, keep any products that have sugar substitute in them away from our dogs. They are no good. No good. Number five, onions, garlic, chives, and leeks. So we've got four things here, which contain M-propyl disulfide, and they can cause damage to the red blood cells and can make it difficult for the body to distribute oxygen. So again, animal family, avoid these foods like the plague. Number six, which is citrus fruits. An example of citrus fruits are lemon, limes, oranges. Anything really tangy and zesty. They can cause vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and many other more symptoms. So again, stay away from citrus fruits. Oranges, limes, lemons, anything citrusy, do not give it to your dogs. You hear me? Do not. Number seven, which is yeast dough. It can cause vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and dehydration. So again, anything doughy with yeast in it, bread, etc. is a big no. Watch me? No. Number eight. So we all know the effects alcohol can have on us. So here's some of the effects and issues it can cause in our dogs. Disorientation, vomiting, urination problems, coma, and even death. So alcohol for us and our doggies, really and truly, is a big no. But again, we have our own free will. So for our doggies, please, no alcohol. Number 9, which is avocado. Again, avocado is good and nutritious for us. It contains all the healthy fats, the benefits, all for us, but for our doggies, it can be dangerous. It contains persin, which is a fungal toxin, vomiting, diarrhea, and gastrointestinal problems. So again, avocado is good for us because it contains healthy fats and other benefits, but for the doggies, keep avocado away from them. Number 10, the final one, wild mushrooms. Wild mushrooms contain deadly compounds that may affect the liver, kidneys, and central nervous system. These mushrooms are commonly found in forests. So again, when you're taking your doggies for little forest journeys, you know what I mean, which we all like to do, go to the idyllic forests, nice, natured, trees. Make sure they stay away from mushrooms because they can be deadly. So, Annie family, if you think that your doggy may have encountered or ingested any of these fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, any of these things on the list, please contact your local veterinarian. Please, Big J's asking you, please contact them because we love our doggies and we want them to be around forever. So look after your doggies. So Animal family, I hope this video has been informative and you've learned a little tiny bit of information, because believe me, on doing my research, I learned. And my head's getting bigger. It's big enough already, but it's getting even bigger with all the information I learned today. So please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, we ain't going nowhere.